channel once again. Today we're doing another mukbang.
Today's a special one. What is it, babe? What's today?
It's our wedding anniversary.
All right. And what do we got, Yana?
We have our rice. We have that.
Tortillas,
We have meat,
short ribs,
short ribs. We have chocolate meat. We peanut butter, and we have squid,
some squid adobo.
and we have a lot of cheese.
What do you call this in Filipino, babe?
Dinadara.
Dinadaran. Peanut butter, right? And some squid adobo.
That's it.
Puset. All right. That's for Yana, right?
Oh, I don't know. No,
No,
not
I
really.
have water.
This one.
All right.
And I'll drink that too later.
Yeah, you guys share.
I don't want soda.
What do you want, Yana?
Chocolate milk for her.
All right. More?
It's onion.
Okay.
You mix it.
And I'm gonna have some of this chile.
Oh, you wanna mix, Papa? Should tell you, Papa.
Noise.
Ew.
Thank you, Lord.
Thank you. You want some meat? Short ribs, Yana?
No.
Me too. I mean, yeah.
Yeah?
Thank you. This is on.
Barbecue short ribs.
It's on.
Yeah.
Already 2 minutes in and he's gone.
You're gonna get some napkins. This is gonna be a messy one.
You're on the way.
And water. Water.
You want water? Thank you.
Thank you.
Water.
No, not yet.
All right. Thank you, Lord.
Mama.
Wonder how's the chile? Think it's spicy, babe?
After jalapeno. Yeah.
A little bit. Not bad.
Mama.
My favorite.
Huh?
My favorite.
It's your favorite now?
Babe.
Oh, yeah. Thank you.
Get it there. It's 7 o'clock.
Mm-hmm.
See, I told you I've done a 7 o'clock cooking.
Sweet.
This vegetables, babe.
Yeah. Make me a taco first. Yeah.
Daw sa fruli ko with suka.
Tortilla. Itong Yana.
Oh my god, I'm so thirsty. We're gonna have some water.
Cold.
Oh my god, thank you. Excuse me. I haven't been drinking water.
Well, today.
You're gonna have some more ribs.
Mm-hmm. You like them?
Uh-huh.
That one has a lot of meat.
No?
That one has a lot of meat.
Where did you get this? What?
Hong Kong.
Oh yeah, yesterday?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, some really good ones there.
They always have a good one in there. And it's cheap, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Not expensive. Ay na. Nagpait.
What?
Once you lay down. It's a little spicy. Not too much. You want a bite?
My baby's eating chocolate milk. And my husband. They're not picky.
It's good.
It's your dad's favorite.
Mm-hmm. We got soca. Right, babe? Some coconut vinegar. This stuff is delicious. Mm-hmm.
Next time we'll do live on Facebook. So we'll do a lot of shares.
Mm-hmm.
There was people watching you. Ay na, nagpait.
What, the bitter plant?
Uh-huh. Go.
Mm-hmm.
Like a coffee. Ah. Did you do no picture tapos no thumbnail?
I did.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
For me? Wala na game sa kusip. Nakasang?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Kami pa rice. Napas naman na.
No more.
No problem.
It's only been 10 minutes.
I eat fast.
Want to soak up, babe?
No, it's fine. some dessert. Go get your dessert.
What are you having for dessert today?
Wait.
I think it's a peanut butter. Mine your way?
Okay.
You can squeeze. Squeeze your butt cheeks. Ah! Put him being down.
Mahala ka table mo. No.
Waffles? Waffles.
Waffles.
Waffles. Mm-hmm.
Right here. It's so better. I can't. Especially when you eat soca. Try it. It's really better. Make it worse. Some people they dip it in the soca. I don't know why.
Need help? You got it?
Oh, it's individual. That's pretty cool. Let's see.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Ah, sour.
Mm.
Are you struggling?
Nope.
In here, Baba, so all the clothes gonna go like here.
Need ginger.
Do you want the eggplant? Let me see.
Only way I can eat eggplant is fried.
I know. Oh, you don't like it's not the same. But the salad you like it half when you
Oh
roll
yeah.
the thing.
Yeah. What do you call it? What's the name of that?
Oh, ensaladang talong.
Mm-hmm.
Enchilada. It's like enchilada, but it's. Can I drink some? Can I drink something? Excuse me.
I'm drinking up all my water.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Can I have some?
Mm-hmm.
Good.
I didn't touch it. I touched it right here.
Mushrooms. You think Billie Eilish wants some? Look at her mouth. She like this.
Next time you eat chips without chips. Not chips. Nagadoon na one. Oh gosh.
No what?
If can I have peanut butter? But no watermelon. Just the eggplant.
You want the eggplant?
Yeah.
Okra?
No watermelon no more. It's too much. That one is good enough. That's it. In 8 in the morning, huh? Have you tried those?
Yeah, you made some for sure. They're good.
But it together. They are good. Madam food. Boy, you're enjoying your food, you.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's good.
I eat fast. Oh, you know. Next time we eat what's that called? The one you cook it right here with the fire with lettuce wrap. What it called?
Korean barbecue?
I see we can make the thin one at the Hong Kong. I see it. And the sauce, on the sauce.
We've been waiting all day to eat.
Oh my god, it's so
It
good.
was worth the wait.
Cheers. If we eat soup, you know?
Yeah.
So, sounds so good.
Soup? Slurping?
Don't stop. And see, when I go like that, stop.
Not like this, I got too.
Goodness. Awesome. It's really good, babe. Put sauce in it. Ay, yan na. No, don't do that, babe. Send off the salad now. Then we finish it off. I want some more rice.
You simple sugar? A little bit. I just want a couple with my rice. My last of the rice. There
That's
we
it?
go. Yeah, that's it.
You want chili?
No. I already got two. Got some squid. Adobo, right?
That's a little okay. You do that. You go like this. Very nice.
Mm-hmm.
It would be better if it's fresh.
Or kilo when?
We go? Not yet.
What?
No squid.
No more.
Huh?
No more.
Or in December?
Mm-hmm.
I like squid. Yeah, kailangan ni squid.
Maybe, I don't know.
No, nothing right now. Where do you get those?
Probably from the pier.
On the pier? They go in the middle of the ocean to catch that.
No. They don't like to be out there. Because when they're in winter time is when they're mate. So they're always close to the shore where the docks are at. Because that's where they lay their eggs. Woo!
There's still more water in there.
Give me a couple more squid, baby. That was good.
It's good with white rice, babe. Babe, ay, Ariana.
What?
What are you doing?
No more. No, no. Relax. That's enough, Bubba.
Naimas ka, naimas. Ay. Maybe white rice.
Oh, yeah. Big. Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Careful.
We'll go. And then we can say bye-bye. Come on, garage. It's really good, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Have you tried this with grilled? The small one? No, you don't. The big one, yeah. The small one, no. Not
I
yet.
think I have them
Wait.
in the past.
The bass?
Mm-hmm.
I have a little no squid.
With Wayne in it?
Who?
Wayne?
Oh, maybe.
Pretty sure we tried it. The big one, I mean, she couldn't
The
taste
big
any
one, yeah.
big difference.
The small
the
one
small
is really good.
Ooh, lordy. That is good.
Bye-bye now.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay, that is the end of our video. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit that bell button so you get a notification every time we post. Yeah, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye.
Bye, guys.